Hey, this is Danielle over at DIYDanielle.com, and today we're going to talk about how to add layered vinyl to wood. I have used iron-on vinyl on wood in the past, and I have a blog post about that, but in this case we're going to use regular permanent vinyl. And you want to start out by painting your wood and let it fully cure for the time recommended on the side of your paint can. I recommend snapping a photo or two of the design you're going to put on. It'll help you organize your process. For this chest design, we needed to start with the middle piece, which is the king, and we placed the white piece on first. Once you get it on, you want to press the vinyl into the wood as best you can with your fingers. I recommend using a hairdryer. Do not melt the vinyl. You just want to get it a little bit warm, and it'll help you press the vinyl into the crevices in the wood. For all of these, I'm using transfer tape, and our next piece is going to be the black piece that goes over the king. And again, we are using our transfer tape. We're peeling our transfer tape off carefully. Then we're going to heat up the vinyl and press it into the wood. Next, you can line up your next layer. In this case, we have two pieces we can put on next, the two white pieces for the queen and for the knight. And again, we're just hitting it with heat, pressing it in with our fingers as best we can, and moving on to the next piece. Here I am using my hairdryer just to heat it up. If you let the heat touch the vinyl for too long, it will start to melt it, so don't do that. You just want to hit it with a little teeny bit of heat, kind of releases the adhesive, I think, a little bit, and it allows you to kind of press it into the wood. After that, I just put on the two black pieces for the knight and for the queen. Again, same process. Heat, press it in, move on to the next piece. And the very last pieces are the two pieces for the pawns. So we've got the white piece that goes on first. Okay, so I added the last pawn piece here. And again, same process. I find that the permanent vinyl works pretty well on wood. I know a lot of people say to use iron-on vinyl. I've used it, and actually that works really well. But I find that the permanent vinyl works just fine for larger cuts, and for smaller cuts like the letters that I did above it, those are permanent vinyl and foil, but I don't think they'll stick as well. When deciding whether to use permanent vinyl or iron-on vinyl on wood, your main consideration should be whether you plan to ever update that piece of furniture or sign or whatever. If you think you might want to redo it, I highly suggest using the permanent vinyl because you could probably remove it easily, hopefully without damaging the paint. So that is how I see it. For more information about this project, check out DIYDanielle.com.